Hey everyone, it's Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com, DevOps TV, here at DevOps Enterprise Summit 2017, joined by a speaker from Electric Cloud, Wesley Pullen. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wesley, welcome to our DevOps TV here.
Hey, thanks, Alan. Thanks for having me.
So tell our audience, what did you talk about today?
So today I spoke about DevOps going from grassroots to mainstream. And essentially what it really represents is it's now becoming mandatory. What used to be just a movement or an idea or a couple of techies getting together is now hitting the likes of HR, executives, appearing on Mad Money, all these other items. So it's becoming the key differentiator enabler for companies.
Though I have to tell you the truth, Wes, I still get asked by my wife's family mostly, what is this DevOps thing you're involved with? But look, they didn't understand the whole web thing before that, so what difference does it make? But anyway, but seriously, it is gone mainstream.
Sure has.
I started DevOps.com about 4 years ago now.
Oh, wow.
March will be 4 years that we launched, but I've been working on it longer than 4 years. And I certainly have seen it cross the chasm from early adopters to at least early mainstream, if not mid-mainstream. But what does the future hold?
Wow, that is
near term, long term, your call.
From our perspective, I think what we see is organizations now having to adapt at the speed of innovation. Is that it's great to have all these tools. For the concept of DevOps, it's as if almost organically, the capability is a ton of tools evolving from the likes of great developers, great minds, but all these tools have to kind of work together. What I see in the future is the ability to adapt. And to adjust to the speed at which the business needs it. So whether we're doing DevOps, whether we're a high-performing IT organization to low-performing IT organization, it's all of our responsibility to ensure success. And I see companies starting to figure out that, okay, it's not just the technical silos like development and operations. I love what CSG and others were doing where they brought in HR, they're bringing in executives, and they're saying,
DevOps
listen,
plus.
It's DevOps plus. So some have tried to coin it biz DevOps, DevSecOps. I would call it all company ops. It's everyone is involved in making a quality solution in product. Just like we used to ask the question back in before the Agile days when I was at Rational Software in the 90s, said whose responsibility is it for quality? Everybody's responsibility is DevOps.
And I'm going to tell you something. As an entrepreneur who has been involved in more than several companies, at the end, we can't lose sight of the fact that the reason we're here is to deliver to customers who then pay us, right? That's how we derive our
That's the
revenue.
number one objective.
And that's what we got to remember what DevOps is. It's not dropping new code 10 times a day for 10 times sake.
Right.
It's dropping new code because we're delivering delightful experience to the customer.
Exactly. So that customer is a repeat customer no matter who you are. You could be Macy's, you could be CSG, you could be Apple, you could be any company. You could be Northrop Grumman or Lockheed. Right. Exactly. You want the ability of repeat business.
Yep. Now, of course, getting there from there can be difficult.
It's not as easy as if it were easy, literally anyone could do it, and everyone would be a success story. But we have the challenges. I think we heard in one of the talks today is that they planned, I believe it was CSG, they had planned to release it out, and what happened when they announced, or KeyBank, when they had planned to go live, they had done the year's worth of planning, and guess what happened? Things didn't go the way they thought.
And that's life, though.
It's a learning experience.
I wish everything went the way I planned it, man.
So do I.
We'd both be on some island right now.
We'd be both on
instead of here working.
You got that
right. Anyway, hey Wesley, thank you for being our guest on DevOps TV today, man. Buddy. Thank you for speaking here at Does, and thanks for all you do at Electric Cloud.
Thanks so much.
Loving it.
Appreciate it, buddy.
All right, this is Alan Schimmel for DevOps.com and DevOps TV at Does 17. Wesley Pullen, Electric Cloud. We'll speak to you soon, everyone.